and welcome back to another Fat Jeeps video. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately. I just recovered from jaw surgery, but I'm back, so I just want to apologize if you guys haven't seen me too much on social media. Alright guys, enough talking. So in today's video, we're going to be installing some new JK to JL conversion tail lights. These are the ones I currently have on. One of the first ones that came out, and they've been phenomenal. A lot of people don't like that they poke out too much and stuff like that, but to be honest, they give the Jeep a whole different look. No one's taking them. They don't fall, none of that. Even with all the bass and the vibration that I have, you guys can see I have two 15s in the back. Even with all the vibration, everything, and I did get into a little incident and nothing happened to the tail lights, thank God. So both of them work fine. I have no issues with them whatsoever, and they're just great and phenomenal. But right now we're going to be upgrading them to the newer ones that have a nicer pattern. So I can't wait to get started and show you guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got the tail light here. Of course, I like them smoked. Oh my God, I already see the pattern. What a beauty. So you can barely see it, but these are a lot. You see they don't have the indentation like these. You can see the difference there. But oh my God, it's gonna look beautiful. All right, so what we're gonna go ahead and do now is use a Phillips screwdriver, remove these two screws. We're gonna pop this one out.
Nice job stripping it. No.
What you're gonna want to go ahead and do is unclip it. Alright guys, so once you remove the tail light, we're gonna go ahead and put in the new one. Now, if it's your first time and you don't have this bracket on, all you gotta do is remove your old tail light, and all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver for the JKs. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna remove that, and then you're gonna put this new piece in with the 3M adhesive that goes around. Alright guys, so this is what I mean by the bracket. I'm not gonna be replacing it because mine is still in great conditions. So what you're gonna do, if you don't have this bracket, you'll remove your original tail light. The good thing about this kit, everything's plug and play. So you literally remove your harness and then you just plug in the new one. Literally, that's all you gotta do. So what you do first, remove the tail light, or the two, is gonna be 4 Phillips screwdrivers. So what I really like about this kit is that American Modified has made it very easy for anybody to change your tail lights in literally almost, you can say like what, 10 minutes? So what you do is remove the 4 screws. Then when you're gonna apply this plate, remove the 3M tape, place it on there, and use the original hardware from your JK tail lights and install the 2 screws there. After that's done, the kit does come with these little mounting plates here. Let me see, right there. Okay, good. So what you do is, it comes with a little plate, so you can put the resistor there and it doesn't hang. So that's another thing that I like. A lot of tail lights that are aftermarkets don't come with resistors or anything. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead, plug in the lights. It's starting to rain. Just like that. Go ahead and put your resistor on the clip. And we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna rain down. And clips like a charm. So since I already had the 2 screws, I'm just gonna reuse them. Alright guys, so this is the new one that they just came out with, and this is the original first one that I got. But they are beautiful, so I can't wait to see don't know if you guys can see, not too much. You can see a little bit of the LED inside. I can't wait to see the reverse and the turn signal. I'll show you guys the comparison right now, so you guys can see, because these are both on the market. You know, some people might not like these, they might like these, or you know, vice versa. So that's what I like about American Modified. Their choices are huge, so you can customize your Jeep to whatever standard or style you like. So that's something big that I do like, that they're focusing on. They really care about people's. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did on the left side to the right side. Super quick, super easy, super simple. You need only literally one tool, Phillips. So let's go ahead and move to this side. Remember guys, you'll probably take another like 2 minutes if you have to install a bracket, but it's literally very simple. If you guys want to see how it actually is, I'll put the link in the description below of the first video, so you guys can get a more in-depth view and step-by-step on the video. All right guys, so I'm trying to get the best footage. I'm trying this out with the GoPro, so let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so sorry for the dirty hands, but they are on and they look fantastic. Alright guys, so this is just running lights. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hazard, turn, reverse, and brake light so you guys can see how they look. Alright guys, these are the hazards. I'm also going to be showing you guys how they look at night. So this is during the daylight, hazards. This is when you hit the brakes. Wow. All right guys, so this is the brake light. All right, DLR, sorry. These are the regular lights, basic. This is the left turn signal. Right turn signal. Same thing. This is reverse. Trying to get to focus, but all right, so now this is the hazards. Look at that, that's beautiful. Thank you, American Modified.